Okay guys, here's how we can turn on the aim assist on the Nintendo Switch Fortnite. So we want to press the plus sign here. So we go to the profile. So click the plus sign on your Nintendo Switch controller, which is going to be this one. Alright, just press it, and then we need to go into the settings. So I'll just scroll down like this. So I'm gonna go left, and we want to select the settings. Okay, press A and then press A once more. Now from here we want to press the right button here at the top. So I'm just going to press that until I go to the controller. Okay, if it doesn't work, I can just use the arrows here like that, and I'm just gonna go and press the right button. Okay, and we need to go to the controller, not mapped, but the controller settings. Okay, so here we wanna go into sensitivity, and where it says advanced options, we want to toggle this on. So currently it's gonna be off, so I'm gonna press A, and then I'll toggle this on. It's gonna give me a little warning. Alright, okay, so now that it's toggled on, if I go okay, I'm just gonna confirm it like that, sorry. Okay, so now if I go up like this and I go to the sensitivity here, you will see advanced sensitivity. Okay, so from here you will see aim assist, so it's gonna be at any point, so it might be at 50% or 25%. You want to turn this all the way up to 100%, and that's gonna enable aim assist on the Nintendo Switch. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.